Alright, so we are on QUEENHILL, or we're in the QUEENHILL community. That's where we are today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and it's Roshain Reviews. So we're going up the hill today. Wow, such a nice view of Kingston. Let me give you guys a quick view of Kingston. Alright, so let me zoom in a little bit. So this is a view from QUEENHILL. We're seeing parts of Malines, Meadowbrook, Avondale, and if we can look far enough, we can also see the transport center as well. So nice view from up in the hills. Just showing you guys a glimpse as usual. Alright guys, so we're in QUEENHILL today, just driving around the community. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to comment and share. And you know, once I drive through a community, I always say to you guys, if you currently live in QUEENHILL, used to live in QUEENHILL, grew up in QUEENHILL, just let us know in the comment section, guys. So that's where we're driving today, QUEENHILL. On the right is the Helmwood Terrace. Alright, so just taking a drive around the area. A lot of nice houses in this area with some very, very nice views. So just showing you guys around the area. Alright, so this one on the left seems to be an apartment complex. It's right at the end. So I'm sure every room must have a nice view. Let me show you guys a glimpse. Alright, it's a very nice view of Kingston, but alright, just got an idea. I'm gonna park a little bit and show you guys the view that this apartment has. So just a second. Alright guys, so this is the view from up QUEENHILL. And then this apartment complex is right at the end. It's multi-level as well. And they have a superb view both down in that community and then across the entire Kingston. So if you look closely, you can see even the New Birth Auto on Malines Road. That's that red building. And then if you go back to that side, then you can glimpse the transport center as well. So very, very nice view, guys. Good distance up as well. I am sure the construction of this apartment must have taken, you know, some good engineering skills and a lot of time as well, because the height, so that's the footing based on how high up it is. And you know, from far out you can see this apartment as well because the color stands out. So great views from the balconies, great for parties and stuff like that. Alright, let's jump back to the drive. Alright guys, so we're back on the drive. Again, we're in QUEENHILL. Just driving around the community looking at some of these mansions with these awesome views. Alright guys, so we're still in QUEENHILL. Construction still happening up this side. Persons building their multi-level houses. I'm just showing you guys around the place. First, I'm coming up this side, to be honest with you. I'm not sure how many of you guys watching have been up this side before, but it's an awesome view, guys. While I prefer being on the flat land and being down on the flat, I think these guys, you know, love the view because the view is superb, and I think that's what they're paying for. That's what they're spending their money for, the view. You can literally see all of Kingston from up here. All you'd need is probably a binoculars, and you know, each evening you just go on your porch and just relax and enjoy the view. Alright guys, so let's continue to drive, enjoy this sightseeing, because I'm enjoying the view myself. Just a quick view of the terrain. You can see the slope and everything where we're coming from. That's down there. So you still have houses under construction. Some finished, some still going up. That's like 6 stories. Alright guys, so I did start a series of the richest neighborhoods in Kingston. I really think QUEENHILL fit into that category. But let me know what you guys think though. Do you guys think QUEENHILL fall into that category of one of the richest neighborhoods in Kingston? I've covered places already like I think Cherry Gardens, I think Beverly Hills, and I think QUEENHILL does stand a chance. So let me know what you guys think. I know you already gave me other suggestion of other, you know, superb communities and marvelous communities in Kingston that would be of the richer side of things. Yeah, this one has a very unique design as well. Let me show you guys a glimpse. Alright, so just a quick glimpse of this one right here. And it would have the view of Kingston at the back. Alright, so I'm gonna put this as one of the entries in the richest communities in Kingston. First time I'm coming up this side, and I think it's a great community. Great views, great houses. So again, we're in QUEENHILL. It's basically off Red Hills Road, off Perkins Boulevard. Let me show you guys my view. Let me just pull over a little bit and show you guys section of Alright, so that's the view you have from up this side, guys. The entire Kingston, everywhere. And then it zoom in a little bit to get a little better view. So again, we're in QUEENHILL. I would say one of the richest neighborhoods in Kingston. Let me know what you guys think about that. So this leads out onto Red Hills Road, but I don't want to take that route. I want to go back down QUEENHILL. So another day I guess I'll cover Red Hills Road. So I'll just go back down QUEENHILL. Alright guys, let's end down Queenhill and finish off the video. Queenhill, Kingston, one of the richest neighborhood in Kingston. Alright guys, that's the view from up this side. Alright guys, very, very nice view. Let's zoom in a little. So this is the view from Queenhill. Someone exercising. Alright guys, so as usual, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for subscribing if you have already done so. Thanks for liking. Thanks for sharing. And let me know what you think in terms of this community, Queenhill, being one of the richest community in Kingston. Leave your comments, let me know. And I'll definitely see you on another video.